Hello, my name is Alex Mancero. I am a teacher from Quito, Ecuador. I am an innovator educator because the society is in a continuous change. The teacher that is not an innovator is stopped in the time. My vision about my software is it will be used by many teachers around the world. The objective is the correct evaluation process and the request of the information to improve the student's performance. The achievement of this software is an Ibero-American prize to educative innovation conferred by Organización Iberoamericana de Estados, Microsoft, and Foro 21. The challenge superated was the limited use of the technology by the teacher of my community. The educative impact of this project was the improvement in the evaluation process and the feedback to the students, because they can take information from the rubric to get better scores in the next time. I go to explain you the function of my software. Please, let's go.
Hello teachers around the world. Greetings from Ecuador. I want to speak you about a nice way to evaluate to the students, the rubric. This system avoids the problems with the perception that the students have in relation to his scores. A rubric is a matrix designed to evaluate the performance of an activity, a skill, a homework, or a classwork. The rubric is made by 1. Informative data. 2. Aspects to evaluate. 3. Performance labels. Normally, the time to design is too extensive, but with this software, the time is reduced in 90%. First, you have to select the subject. After, you should to select the teacher's name. Later, the number of aspects to evaluate. The own terms of the qualification. After, you have to write the activity or skill. Then, you have to select the aspect to evaluate, according to the number of aspects to evaluate that you selected. After, you should to select the performance label of each aspect. We select the grade and the student. Let's go to evaluate. Excellent, very good, good, very good. When you are done, have to click in Evaluate, and after click on Record, and the score is ready. This score will be recorded in the report. Let's go to Report, and you can see the name of the students and his score. If you want to continue evaluating to the other students, you have to go to the desplegable list and select the next student and evaluate new time. Also, in the software, you can find a new tool. You have default rubrics. You can use these rubrics, for example, for evaluate a summary. You have default rubrics, reading and exposition, min maps, write works, summary, and more. If you choose summary, you should to select charge the rubric, and you have to select the default data in each register. Let's go. You select the course, the grade, and the student. And let's start to evaluate. Evaluate. You can see the score, record. The next student, evaluate, record. Next student, evaluate, record. Let's go to report, see report, and you have the names and the scores. Thanks for your attention to this video tutorial.